Good morning.
Hello. Hi.
And welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Can you please come here?
Can I have some bubbles?
Bubbles? We don't sell bubbles here.
Well, I just had some.
You have to use also the thing in the mouth.
Yes, please.
Yes, everything was live, right?
Yes, everything, all of the sounds that you hear, all the vocal effects, I play live with these gloves.
Totul a fost live, vocea a fost live, iar sunetele vin din utilizarea mânușilor. So, the gloves know what you do with your hands. Mânușile știu ce faci cu mâna. The computer knows what the gloves do. Computerul știe ce fac mânușile. And so you command it.
Yeah, you totally got it.
Can you make any gesture just to know that everything was live? Putem face un gest ca să aflăm că totul a fost live? Să țineți computerul ridicat.
Yeah, if I can have the sound back. So if I make different postures in different directions.
Dacă fac lucruri diferite cu mâinile în diferite direcții.
I play different chords. Or when I make a one finger point. I don't know if it's still going to work. But... Hello. Oh.
You must use your mic.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
See, I can be your assistant.
Yes. So good morning, Romania.
I can play God with you.
You want to do one?
Yes. Make my voice sound different. Răzvan, dă bani înapoi. I think the other glove is the glove that
I want to try it too.
Ce vrei, mă?
I want to try with my word.
I'm sorry, he's my boss. You must help him.
Can you do the same thing for me?
Yeah.
Da. Șeful, e șeful meu.
Nam.
That's great. Okay. I think if you're married, you need this glove because it stops everything, isn't it?
It stops everything.
Yes. When you.
Why would I want to stop my marriage?
Ah, sorry. It's Romanian old habits. I'm so sorry. So you have a workshop la Internetix Digital Week care e în desfășurare chiar zilele astea. Va ține un workshop. What do you do during the workshop?
So we will explain a little bit how the technology actually works.
Vă explica puțin la workshop cum funcționează tehnologia.
And the idea behind the creation of them.
Și ideea în spatele creației ei.
I will tell a little bit about how it's changed the way that I perform music.
Și am să vorbesc un pic despre cum a schimbat felul în care eu mă prezint pe scenă. You also worked for this project, inside the project?
Yeah, so these gloves are called the Mimiu gloves.
Mimiu?
Mimiu, yeah. And we're based in London.
Suntem în Londra, ea a făcut parte din acest proiect.
Yeah, and we make these gloves. So this afternoon, together with Adam Stark, who's one of the directors of the company, we will explain about this technology.
His name is Stark?
Yeah, and his dad is called Tony.
No way! I'm a great fan of Iron Man. Familia Stark se ocupă de mânușile astea. Can you believe it? I think it's a great project. Do you also play different instruments or only gloves?
No. So tomorrow we'll be performing at Expirat with just the gloves. But I also play piano and I write all the songs and I sing. So but now the instruments are my voice and the gloves.
Ok. Deci, deși cântă la pian și la mai multe instrumente, acum se bazează doar pe mânuși. Mâine seara la Expirat are concert, deci ar trebui să mergeți să o vedeți. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Astăzi am învățat un lucru nou, sper să-mi rămână în minte. Răzvan?